Welcome, here I've got Meizu M6T and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to the list of other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's start by tapping again to this button. To see the video, let's move to the right to this one. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and now we can play our slow motion video by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.